Hey friends, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over a coffee table. My neighbor got rid of this coffee table, and now she is definitely going to want it back once she sees what I did with it, with some decor transfers and silicone molds from Redesign with Prima. I love how it turned out, and it looks amazing in my TV room. Are you ready to get going? Let's make over a coffee table. In 1866, Harry Sherwin, Alanson Osborne, and Edward Williams founded the Sherwin-Williams and Company of Cleveland, Ohio. They were the first company to produce ready-to-use house paint. Decal is a shortened form of the word decalcomania, from the original French décalcomanie, a technique for transferring prints onto pottery. The origin of the coffee table dates back to the late 18th century during the Victorian era. During this period, they were used for placing cups of tea, the fashionable drink of the time. As time progressed, high-back settees were replaced by low-back sofas, and what we now know as coffee tables were put into use. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want to see content that I don't post anywhere else, check out my Patreon page. And for inspiration, grab any one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you real soon. Bye.